Hello and welcome to another video. Today we'll be looking at how you can scalp volatility 75 index on the 1 minute time frame. Okay, now I have some indicators on the MT5 chart, and the chart is divided into four windows. I have the main window. This is my main window. All right, I have indicator window 1. I have indicator window 2, and I have indicator window 3. Okay, now let's look at the uh, indicators on the main window. Okay, we have fractals, we have moving average, that's 10 period, shift is 0, method is linear weight, apply to close, color is orange. We have another moving average, 200 period, shift is 0, method is exponential, apply to close, color is blue. Then another one, 13 period, shift is 0, method is exponential, apply to close, color is red. And we have a Bollinger Bands, 20 period, deviation is 0.02, shift is 0, apply to close, color is black. Now if we go to the chart, how does this strategy work? Okay, uh, when all the moving averages cross above the blue, this blue moving average, then you have a bullish trend development. So the signal will be gotten when all moving averages are above blue and prices above all moving averages. That's where you have your buy signal. And for sell signal, when all moving averages are below the blue one for your bearish trend, and then price starts to tick below all, just like you have around here. Okay, all moving averages, okay, slided below the black one around here. Okay, you have a complete slide around here, and you now have price developing under all the moving averages. Okay, or you have the red and the orange moving averages crossing below the black, while all moving averages are below the blue. Okay, just like you have here. That's your sell signal. This is another sell signal. Okay, this another sell signal. Okay, where the red and the orange moving averages cross below the black, while all moving averages are uh, below the blue moving average. Okay, so that's your sell signal. Okay, but for buy, you allow all moving averages to cross above the blue. Okay, and then when the red, you start to buy when the red and the orange, uh, when the red and the orange moving averages cross above the black, that's when you start to buy, just like is above the black right here. So like, you can always buy. You can see what price is trying to do. Price is trying to go up. Now that's for the main window. For indicator window 1, let's look at the parameters. Let's look at settings. We have relative strength index. Okay, RSI, that's the period is 1, applied to weighted close. The color is blue. Let's look at the levels. We have 79, we have 21, we have 50, and the color is black. Okay, that's for the RSI. Still on indicator window one. Still on indicator window one. We have commodity channel index. The period is 10. Apply to close. Okay, no color. Okay, moving on. We still on indicator window one. We have average directional movement index. Okay, the period is 20. Okay, no color. And then the levels we have 26, 25. The color is black. All right, that's for the ADX. Then we have parabolic SAR. Okay, the step is 0.03, maximum of 0.09. The color is blue. Then we have moving average, 21 period, shift is 0. Method is exponential. Apply to close. Color is lemon. Then we have still on we are still on indicator window one. We have uh, moving average. Period is 13. Shift is 0. Method is exponential. Apply to close. Color is red. Now let's go to the chart for indicator window one. So you start to buy when the red and the lemon moving averages when they cross above the parabolic SAR like you have around here. That's your buy signal. Okay, as long as they cross above the parabolic SAR that you buy. But when they cross below the parabolic SAR, let's look at the instances of crossing below the parabolic SAR, just like you have around here, and they start to turn downwards. This is a sell signal. Okay, each time they turn downwards, you have a sell signal. I'm talking about the uh, red and the lemon moving averages turning downward. That's a sell signal. You have it breaking between the parabolic SAR and turning downwards, just like you have around here. This is a sell signal. This is another sell signal. This is signal for you to place a sell trade. All right. So that's just it. But for buy, just like I said, when it start to turn upwards, that's where you have a buy signal. The indicator is telling you to buy. Okay, when it start to turn upwards, the red and the I'm talking about the red and the lemon moving averages, when they start to turn upwards, especially the turn upwards and the moving average start to cross above turn upward and start to cross above the 25, 26 ADX line. It's telling you to buy as long as it stays above that line. It's telling you to buy. You can see what price is trying to do. Price trying to go up. Okay, now let's look at indicator window two. For indicator window two, we have awesome oscillator. Let's look at the parameters. Okay, the line width is 4. There is value up. There's value down. The color for the value up is green. The color for the value down is red. Okay. Let's go to the chart. Okay, you buy when you place your buy trade when the um awesome oscillator bar start to develop above the 0 level. This place for you to place your buy. Place your buy when it develops when it crosses from below the 0 level to the upper part above the 0 level. That's your buy signal. Okay, that's your buy signal when it crosses below. Okay, that's a sell signal. Okay, this is your buy signal. This is your sell signal. This is a buy signal for you to buy. And this is sell signal when it develops below the 0 level. Okay, that's a signal for you to sell. All right. So, when you see the bars developing below the 0 level, it's an indication that you place a sell trade. Okay. If you see it developing above the 0 level, as an indication for you to place your buy trade. So you have to check what's update or indicator window 2 with all other indicator windows, the main charts for you to place your trade. Okay, now let's look at indicator window 3. Okay, we have just ADX. And the parameters we have: period is 20, the style color is black, the uh, plus D color is green, minus D color is red. Okay, now let's look at the levels. We have 19 and we have 18. The color is black. Now let's look at how this works. Okay, for the ADX. Okay, what happens? I'm gonna zoom out. What happens is when the um, black ADX line, I'm talking about this black line, when this black line crosses above, okay, when the black ADX line crosses up, let me increase the width to let me increase the width to the pixel to 4 so that we can understand what I'm talking about. Okay, all right, where this black line, the black ADX line crosses above the 19, 18, 19 level, because above the 18, 19 level, then that's the time for you to place your trade. Okay, but you don't just place your trade, you look at is it the green that crosses with it, or is it the red? If the green crosses above the 18, 19 level with the black, that's time for you to buy. You can see what's happening on the screen. Okay, on the screen, you can see price going up. Okay, but if the black and the red crosses above the 18, 19 level, that's the time for you to sell. Okay, let's look at a selling situation. Let's look at a situation that calls for sell. Okay, okay, yeah, you can see what happened around here. See what happened around here. This time for you to sell, where the red crosses above. Okay, hold on, just a bit. Okay, hold on. Okay, yeah, this is the right signal for you to sell, where the red, the black crosses above the 18, 19 ADX level. I guess it was happening. Price is going down. Okay, continues to go down. As it continues to go down, the red and the black line continue to float above the 18, 19 ADX level. Don't forget, this is the 1 minute time frame. This is a 1 minute time frame. It's just for you to scalp few pips and then wait for another opportunity to scalp few pips. Okay. So that's basically how this strategy works. Okay, it's a very good strategy. Make sure you backtest the strategy before you go live. Try and check what has happened in history. Does it really look as if it's going to work for you? If you are certain it's going to work for you, try it out on a demo account. And if you're able to make profit over some period of time, then you can go live. Okay, don't just go live on a new strategy so that you don't end up blowing your account. Okay. You can click the subscribe button if you like the video. Click the like button. Click the bell button for notification. You can drop your comment below the video. Drop your comment below the video. Ask questions if you're not clear with any part of the video. We try as much as possible to respond to your question. Also, uh, you can go to our website, www.bnfxtrader.com, to learn more on how to trade forex and volatility index. You can also go to another website of ours, which is fxfables.com, where you can get to learn on how to trade forex and volatility index on the two websites. All right, till I come your way next time. It's bye for now.